Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inshallah, we are back for parenting after many months. Let us discuss about the parenting series. I just observe certain thing within my vicinity. Very early morning, I go for a prayer for my Fajr Salah. I notice, rather after coming back to home, or rather when I coming back to home, I have noticed that one person, one man, a grown-up man, must be around age 40. He carries his son's school bag and comes out and stand and wait for the bus. And after 30 seconds, 40 seconds, his son climbs down from the society building and he comes out and wait for the bus. Till the bus comes, the father and son stayed over there and waiting for the school bus. As the bus comes, father hands over the bag to the child and child went into the bus and go for the school. But this is the daily now. A few days back, again, I have seen in the same vicinity. It happened incidentally, what was not intention. But then I have seen that the same boy walking back to home, and behind him, his mother was there, and mother was carrying the school bag. The thing which I observed is the school bag is not with the boy, is either with the father when he is going to the school or with the mother when he is coming back to the home. Now my question is, are we making our children handicapped? Now you will see what do you mean by handicap. What I'm trying to say is basically we want our children to learn the life skills. That we talk about the WHO life skills like creativity, critical thinking, emotional thinking, empathy, decision making, problem solving. We want our kids to learn these skills. But this particular boy, I see these parents are making them handicapped because forget about the decision making or problem solving. He is not taking care of himself. When he is not taking care of himself, he's not carrying his own thing. Are we making him handicapped? How would be he would be in his professional life? How would be he in his personal life? How would be he in his marital life? This is a question mark, actually a question mark, because he's been, when I'm saying handicap means he is always dependent on someone to take care of his things. This is not done. This is not the tarbiyah that Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has did, or not from any great scholar, rather who has a successful man. What we see, you name it, anybody, any single person, they have struggled in the life in their early childhood also, and maybe early childhood, maybe at their teenagers, maybe they lost some business or what. That's the reason they got some struggle and they did their own stuff and they got the success in the life, and maybe hereafter inshallah. But this is not the way that we are nurturing. Are we making them are does our kids are money making machine, or they are in the marks factory? What are we worrying for? Yes, for safety reason, I can understand that a father can stand at the gate till the bus comes. But why he's carrying the bag? And it's not a single day; it's always. And I never see this particular boy carrying his own school bag. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just today was not giving you many tips, but it is what I observed. I just wanted to have let you understand the thing. Majorly the parents, ask your kids to do household works, maybe very small, very tiny things as per the age of the child. Sometime like ask them to go to the market, in a vegetable market, or maybe some ask them to bring some medicine if you want at home. Ask them to bring, or maybe ask them to polish their own shoes, father's shoes. Ask them to set the bed. Ask them to wash the utensils at home sometime, dishwash. These are the important things, like they will understand that I have to do my own thing. One small story came to my mind. I just narrate that and I'll end the video. Nabi Kareem Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, once he was on an animal, on one safari. I forget, it was camel or horse or whatever. But then his small stick which he is having, carrying in hand to control the, or to manage the animal, the stick get down. I mean, just no, he left it from his, it slips from his hand, Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and one of the Sahabi came forward and he said, okay, wait, I'll give it to you. He said, no, wait, stop. This is my work, let me do it. And Nabi Karim Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam got down from the animal, picked up the stick and sat again on the animal, and he, carry on his journey or wherever he was going to. But then he said, no, this is a small lesson. Maybe he wanted to teach the people around. Our work, we need to do our own self. If we are not doing if we are not helping ourselves, how would we expect the other people will help us? And it will definitely going to create a problem in the professional life also, in the personal life also, and in the marital life also. He will be having a problem in the relationship because he is always expecting things someone will do for him, because he is not the person who struggles in the life. He is not the person who carry his own burden, or rather, he carries on his own weight. So on this note, I'll inshallah will make it. See you in another video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.